Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World Channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam plastic models as release on March 2024. Gunpla lineup March 2024. HGCE 1/144th Destroy Gundam. Price 3,410 yen, tax included. HG1/144th Gelgoog Menace Lunamaria Hawke. Price 3,190 yen, tax included. HG1/144th Black Knight Squad Rud-ro-A Griffin Arbalest. Price 2,970 yen, tax included. HG1/144th Gundam Amazing Barbatos Lupus, metallic color. Price 5,500 yen, tax included. SDW Heroes, Tenka Musou Taishogun. Price 1,760 yen, tax included. Finally, this is Gunpla lineup March 2024, release info by bandai-hobby.net. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/schedule/202403. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe our GMK World channel.